Welcome to study physics. In this problem we will be solving numericals from chapter 31 S.C. Verma book, and this problem is 26th B. So in this problem again equivalent capacitance between point A and B is asked. So how will we doing is something similar to our previous problem only. So we will go like that as we have done in the previous problem. So see, again here we are asked to evaluate the equivalent capacitance between A to B. So we will just find first the pi equivalent of a T network. So here two T networks will be there. One T network will be like this and other T network will be like this. So we will evaluate these two T network in terms of their pi, and after that we will decide what to do. So let us first convert these two T networks into its pi network. So see here how we will be doing is, so because of 1 and 3 there will be one equivalent capacitance, that will be 1 into 3 upon 8 only, because the datas are similar to the previous problem. So again values will be same. So here it will be like 4 divided by 8. So we will be writing it like 4 and 4 by 8 only. So again 4 into 3, so 12 upon 8. So this branch will also be 12 upon 8. So 12 upon 8 will be these three things. Now let me just erase these three terms so that you will not have any confusion, because otherwise some numbers may confuse you. So now we are not required this 1, 3 and 4 value. So we will just erase these terms. We are only bothered with the blue color, not with the red colors. Okay, so we will just change the red color terms into the blue color terms so that it will be a bit easier to understand. Now see, again these two branches we will not do anything, only this T branch will be converted again to a pi branch. Okay, so or a pi network. So see here how we will be doing is, again we will do it like so we will do it like 3 into 4. So again the term is, this kind of thing sometimes irritates because it is a problem of pain, so I cannot do anything. So let me erase this branch also. So see, we have to evaluate this equivalent. So this equivalent will be in terms of pi. So this is 3 into 4, so that is 12 upon 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. So this is 12 upon 11 will be there. So let me check the values are correct or not. No, here we are doing again wrong. This is one value. So in this problem this is not 4. By mistake we have written it like 4. So this is 1. So this is 1. So by that time so by that time 3 into 1 is 1 divided by 8. 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 8. So 3 by 8 value is same. Again 4 into 1, so it will be like 4 upon 8. So this value in between 1 to this value, it is like 4 upon 8. So this is 4 upon 8, and this value will be again 12 upon 8. So this value will be like 12 upon 8. So 12 upon 8. So okay, fine, this value is like 12 upon 8. And let me change this blue color in terms of red color so that there will not be any confusion. so this is a 1 only. So now we will just erase all the red color terms because we don't require the red color terms. So we will just no, this red color is required because this was from our main network. So there we cannot change that into any pi terms or t terms. So this was of 2, so this we cannot erase, but these two we can erase. So we will erase this 4 as well, this 3 as well as this 4. So these terms are erased, and this 1 will also be erased. So we are not required these terms, so we will just erase that part. Okay, fine. Now we can see here that we are only bothered with the blue colored parameters. So now let me write this point as a C point. So now how we will be doing our problem is, we will just draw 2 points first. That points will be like A point and B point. So A point and B point, and in between A and B there is some other point that is C point. So we will take C point somewhere here. Let me put my picture over here, so with that we will have some space here. Now see how we will be doing is, see here, in between in between A to B point there are 2 3 upon D, 3 upon 8 terms. So these 2 we can take at one time only. So I will write it like, since these 2 terms are in parallel combination, so for parallel combination in the I mean to say is for the case of capacitance, it will be added, so it will be like 3 upon 4. So for these 2 branches we will write like in between A to B, this will be like 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8, so 3 upon 4. So we have taken this term and we have taken this term, so no issue with this. Now in between A to C and C to B there will be 3 parts. So how we will be doing is, there will be 3 parts in between. One part consider, second part consider, then we will consider 3 parts. So we have to evaluate like this. So A to C 3 parts are there, and C to B 3 parts are there. So we will be doing right like this. So we will first evaluate these values and then write it there, and again in between A to C we will have 3 parts. So we will write it like this. So we will write it like this. So we will write it like this. So now we will again change our color so that we can represent the terms there. So one is here 4 upon 8. So this value is 4 upon 8. This value is 2. So we will have 2 there. And again it is 12 upon 8. So we will have some 12 upon 8 value there. Similarly here is 12 upon 8. So this value is 12 upon 8. And another is just 2, and one more is 4 upon 8. So same values are there. So we will only evaluate one term, and we will get the other term only. So for capacitance between A to C, so capacitance between A to C will be like 4 by 8. So 4 by 8 plus of 2 plus of 12 by 8. So what will be the equivalent value is 8, and this time, so let me erase because I cannot do anything. This is a problem of pain, so please excuse. So this is 8. So this is 8. Then there will be 1 4. So this value is 4. And this value will be 16. So this value will be 16 plus this value will be 12. So CA to C will be like 20 plus 12, so 32 upon 8. So 32 upon 8, it will be like 4. Now what we can see here is 4 and 1 4 will be there. So these two branches are in series, so their equivalent will be CA to B will be like 4 parallel with 4. So this value, no, here not parallel, this is series. So this term is series, so we will have this value here. So for its series value will be like 2 plus of one term, that is the 3 by 4 is there more, so that is in parallel, so we will write it like 3 upon 4. So this value will be like 8 plus 3, so this value will be like 11 by 4, and in terms of microfarad, so this answer will be like CAB will be 11 by 4 microfarad. So this is going to be answer for B part. So let me match, yes, so correct only. So in this way we have solved our B part. Next will be the C part, and for C part we will have one separate video. So 26th problem, for all the separate parts we will have separate videos. So thank you.